Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. We're here. Car's looking good, looking clean. He's doing his thing. We always take the doors off here. I'll show you guys Josh's Jeep. I know some of you guys want to see. So that's Josh's Jeep. Right now, we're pretty much cleaned up, filling out the papers to leave on the dash. And we gotta get something to eat. So I think we're gonna DoorDash Dunkin' Donuts or something, because there's nothing really to eat. And if you look down there, see if I can zoom in a little bit. Can't super zoom, there we go. So, seems like there's a second part of this area here back there, so I'll show you guys that later. But right now I do want to get to eat, so I'll video some more in a bit. All right, guys, we're gonna do a walk around real quick so I can show you some of the. I've been getting a lot of love, which I always appreciate. Forgive me, guys, for this video looking a little blurry. It's still recording in 4K, but I'm in a dark section here. Once I get into the light, you'll be able to see a little bit better. As you can see down there, looks clearer than right here. I do everything from the phone. So tomorrow, I'll show you guys fresh meat. I'm gonna try to hit up fresh meat early so that way I can be here for the awards. But let me show you guys this. If you're a big Batman fan, like I am, you'll appreciate this. My man's got Gotham painted on there, which is crazy. This is a Civic Type R. This man has to be in his 40s or 50s that did this car, that owns this car. Let me tell you, if there's anything carbon fiber made for this car, this guy's got it. I definitely will not beat this car, and I am not mad at it at all, because it's very unique. A lot of people may not like this, but I actually like it because it's unique, and according to him, it's dope as fuck. But I am not mad at this. He's got a whole wrap, carbon fiber fenders with the Batman logo on the side. Upgraded disc brakes, custom tail lights. Some people will call it tacky. I call it thinking outside of the box. show you guys the inside. He actually has lights done, seats engraved the Type R, headliner lit up with the starlight. Very, very nice. Carbon fiber hood. I would expect nothing else. I'll show you guys more stuff in a second. I'm not going to show you guys every car here, but I'm going to show you some of my favorites. If you guys know me, and those that don't know me, I'm a big Porsche guy. I love Porsches. My dream car is actually a GT2 RS, but I would settle for a GT3 RS, even though it's like not settling. They're just both highly expensive. So I'm gonna show you this Porsche. Comment below. Guys, comment below if you think I should have did the red. That red looks good. Like, you can't even see. You got to see it in person. I should have did the red. But you know, I did red already. I think the gray's a little subtle. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. like I said, I appreciate all builds. You know, I know a lot of people find that stuff tacky or just think it's too much or overdid it. You know what? Everybody has a unique build. They build what they like. And if that's what they love to do, then that's what they love to do. Everybody's build is a picture in their head. If that's what they want, that's what they picture, then let them be. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Guys, I'm walking back up to my car now, and this is what I see. It's Sunday morning. Wow. He took home lucky sevens, and I took home lucky sevens. Look at that. Crazy. This gentleman here is showing me some love. I appreciate that.
This will be in the wrap-up video.
Oh, yeah? I appreciate that. Thanks, man.
I do all Brad's filming, so like all the Ace's Instagram filming.
Oh, yeah? Oh, okay. Yeah, you do great work, man. I've seen the videos and stuff. So this is it's for my YouTube channel, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, it looks good. Thanks, man. If you want, I don't know if you want to do a video of the engine bay. I'm gonna take the hood off.
Yeah.
So well, no one's really around me, so I'm ecstatic. I can't believe I took home lucky sevens here, because there are a lot of nice cars here. I showed you guys. I was really expecting him to take it, but hey, for not having the wheels that I ordered yet, I guess not bad. So the next step now is all lucky sevens guys have to pick out who was best of show, or who is best of show, and figure it out from there. So we're gonna all get together, and obviously I have to figure out which one's really best of show. Josh and I are gonna figure it out. So he's taking pictures of his, and I'll keep you guys posted when we figure out who the winner is, and I'm going to try to do some recording for Fresh Meat today too. So I'll see you guys when we get to the judging. So I'm just sitting here, we're waiting for to do the top one, I guess you could say. So all 7 winners are gonna come together. We're gonna judge each other's cars and then see who is the top. Right now it's lit. There's a lot more people walking around now, especially because you have the show going on in the parking lot across. and it looks like they opened it to the public, so no one's paying to come in, I believe, which is good. I don't know if I'm going to get any video of fresh meat. I might not even be able to get to fresh meat because I'm in here and I have to judge the other 6 cars. So I'll keep you guys posted of how that goes. All right, guys, we are at, well, let me rephrase that. We finished judging all 7 cars. I don't think I'm taking home best of show. That Porsche is really clean. That Subaru is really clean. They're all really clean. Follow this guy. I'm gonna put his Instagram right over here, right underneath him. I'm gonna put the Instagram. What up, dog? All right, man. So we're here. I'm waiting for them to tally up all the scores, and then we'll find out who best of show is. Like I said, I don't think I'm taking it. That Porsche is really clean. That Subaru is really clean. The Volkswagen's really clean. I mean, all the cars, that top 7 are really clean. So the only thing I may have over all of them is my engine bay. So we'll see how it goes. Right now, I'm looking at this TS. Sergio showed up with his fiance. The girlfriend showed up. I want to show you guys this TSX. But, bro, you see the brakes? This is yours? That is wild, dog. Bro. How the fuck did you even do that? Holy shit. I'm looking at it and I'm like, first I looked at it and I did the same thing that he did, and I think my boy did. We look at it, wait, what? That's a tiny brake there, hold on.
There's a lot going on.
Yeah,
There's
nah,
also
man.
wide body too.
Yeah, bro. Oh, that makes sense. That makes, look, this is the owner of the baby caliper. Look at that. Crazy, that's his emergency brake. Bro, that is wild. You blew my mind with that thing, dude. His bay is clean. All right, so I'll show you guys. I'll record to see who won top overall, and we'll see how it goes.
One last round of applause for all the competitors in the Lucky 7. And in 2020 Aces, the winner of the Sean Baker Memorial Award, and of course, taking it out right here as the winner in the whole show. I gotta go to the bottom of this iPad because that's where Chuck put it. And that's what I say. Let's have a huge round of applause for the Best of Show Aces 2020, Chris Peston. And the 2019 right there. Judged by his peers. Let's hear it, everybody. All right, everybody who's got an award, come on up here. I want to take a little family shot. So if you're nuts,
This guy. He's got the back.
Wait, I forgot. I gotta stand like how he taught me.
Yeah, come on. Ass out.
Like that, yeah.
Boom.
Here we go. Now,
Look at that. Look, that's a flat back. There you go. Feel those fucking hamstrings. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this up. I gotta tape up the bumper. We didn't take home Best of Show, but that's okay. The Volkswagen took Best of Show, well deserved. This really made me realize I need to step my game up with the engine bay. I mean, not the engine bay, with the trunk, because I have no trunk set up. So next thing that Josh and I are gonna do, we're gonna fabricate something, figure out what we can do for the trunk for now. I have Tune Revolution in 2 weeks, so I want to try to get something done in the trunk. I have no idea what it is, but I'll figure it out. So till then, see you next time. Stay positive, stay humble. We won today, and that's because we only have good days. Peace.